It's finally here, the Elfbar 600 V2 disposable. Hello everyone, my name is Ollie, and today we'll be looking at the brand new disposable vape from Elfbar, checking out its features and how it differs from the previous Elfbar 600. Join us as we open it up and take a closer look. We'll be opening the Mojito flavour today, one of the 8 new flavours from Elfbar. We'll talk more about the flavours later, as we need to focus on what makes this disposable very different to the last, and that would be the new QUAQ mesh coils instead of the V2. These coils improve the flavour of the liquid and also make sure that every pull is full of flavour. As I open this vape up, I would like to talk more about the device itself. As you can see, the new Elfbar V2 has a sleek metallic finish with a 2-colour gradient, setting it apart from the previous version. Similar to the last version, however, the device has 0 buttons, making it a very easy to use device, as all you need to do is pull from it and it will automatically fire. As I mentioned previously, Mojito is just one of the 8 brand new flavours that I've released with the Elfbar 600 V2. Other flavours include banana mango and even a lemon and lime flavour. I also need to point out that in total, Elfbar has planned 30 exciting flavours, including many fan favourites from the original collection. On screen there will be a list of flavours currently available from when this video has been created. On the topic of flavours, Elfbar has really perfected their liquid. I have tried each of the 8 new flavours and they have all been refreshing and sweet. One thing that I have noticed is that the vapour clouds produced from this device are a lot bigger than the last, which is always a bonus. So there we have it. The Elfbar 600 V2 is a great improvement from the last disposable, with lots of refreshing and enjoyable flavours and a great 20 mg nicotine strength, perfect for heavy smokers looking to quit. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more vaping news. See you next time.